Yo guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Abs, working on a project EP3 again today. So, it's bored. I got COVID right now, so I have to isolate for the next 5 days. And I get bored quick. So I thought, let me do a mod to my car that doesn't involve me being outside for too long. Luckily for me, I did have a spare starlight kit with shooting stars, which I've never done before. So I thought, fuck it, we'll do it on this car. So in this car should be fairly straightforward. However, I'm not sure if you can see, but my headline is grey. Let me just get my flashlight out. Yeah, so my headline is grey and is dirty, like around the middle section. So yeah, grey headline with starlight. It looks alright, but not the best. And everything else in this car is black and red, so for fucking might as well. Never done it, I want to experiment. So yeah, we're going to try. But we will eventually do this black. I got a cheap method, if that don't work, I got an expensive method. Then we can put starlights in. But first, let's take the headline out. So I'm going to put on my GoPro on my head, do a little bit of a montage. I'm going to headline into my shed and start dyeing that. So we tried this method now, which is the carbosonic, blah 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 blah. I'll put a link for it in the bio. Not sure, my head's messy after that. But yeah, here's one coat. You see it has got darker already. That's a good thing. Yes, people, so let me show you the second coat. As you, looks much darker already. I think like 4 coats once I'm down, I'm all good. And I've got a lot of it left, so I might concentrate even more blacker just so it's a bit quicker. People, hope you can hear me, hope you can see me. But yeah, headline is done. I took it outside, just let it dry for a bit, like in the morning. If you do have like a garage, it's slightly easier mobility wise, or if it's summertime, you just leave it outside, let it dry naturally. So yeah, probably give this food like what, 5 out of 10. Not that hard, just you just need time. If you have a helping hand, it works as well. But yeah, hope you liked the video. The next step is going to be starlights. I might have another mod in between. I'll see. If not, I'm selling you dreams, fam. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. We're making moves. We went from like 300 to 330 in like 2 days. Like, I'm appreciating the support. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.